It's called Crazy. Oh, wow. Touch my peck.
Oh, my.
We're going to go in. We're going to see if we can win some prizes. I've got like $4 on me, and that's all I earn deserves. Oh, shoot.
Oh, my.
Let's go in.
$4 on me?
Let's go in and see what's here. I've actually been here once before when he was filling it, and this claw machine is pretty good, so we'll try it.
Cool.
This one's actually pretty good, so.
Yes.
My hair's gone, so you don't have to.
Oh, that's
Oh,
true.
yeah.
Well, this is my own money. This is fair game here.
What, a Garfield?
Oh yeah.
I like winning Garfields. Oh.
Triangles.
That's got it.
Let's try that right there. Come on. Oh, you
See, this
want to
one's-
not
yeah.
go down all the way?
Yeah.
Start with the green one. I can't make any vendor jokes because, you know, we all know who the vendor is.
Oh, my.
Michael. Just
Whoa.
Whoa. All right, let's go for a green Garfield. Oh, wow. This is, look how strong. I'm going to break the machine. Don't hate to do that.
Oh. Got 2 seconds.
Not really working already.
Come on, baby. Oh, that might have it.
might
Come
have
on,
it.
close.
Oh.
See, okay, let's,
I was gonna do $1. I
Trevor,
want this
wanna do
hedgehog.
oh, hey, you want a hedgehog?
Kind of.
Hey.
Oh, well, I got it next
now.
time. Okay, if I don't get it this try, I'll give you $50.
Beer in the claw machine, clickbait
Whoa,
title.
what?
Wow.
Right there.
Oh, wow.
Damn it!
You want to take 2 seconds to line it up and then complain? When you
Oh, my.
It's
And then, oh, that is
the gift cards.
It's my specialty. Look at that.
Hey, it's my specialty right here.
Oh, my.
And
The
together our
joystick.
specialties shall combine.
Oh, my gosh.
One amazing specialty.
Wow.
Is it even special if they're both special?
Oh.
Okay, let's
But
when the vendor is getting pissed off in the background. Let's try this again.
I like when things are completely.
Let's go for the Garfield again.
Garfield?
There's a generics gettable, but we all know that generics are not worth my time, and time is money.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try that. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, close. Got it.
There you go.
Nice.
Stay in there.
I like Garfield.
Yes.
He's green.
Heck yes.
Like my poop. I mean,
Oh, wow.
wow. Okay, got him. Oh, you want a free prize in the?
Oh, cool.
Hey, 2 in 1.
Sweet.
Good thing the vendor didn't see the let's go for the Garfield first, and then. Okay, let's try right there. Come on, baby. Oh no! See, yeah, I don't think it goes down all the way.
Shoot.
It goes down to like its head, and that was it.
Right.
Let's go for the Smurfy.
The Smurf, Smurfy, Smurf.
Smurfity Smurf. When you can't cuss on YouTube, what the Smurfity Smurf?
Oh.
Okay, let's try. I'm actually hoping it'll stop and just close, you know?
Yeah.
So let's see. I'm gonna go a little more for its head. Oh, that might be not good at all.
Oh, pinch its nose?
Nose. Nose.
Nose.
It's only 50 cents. I might try for this Butterfinger bear.
Butterfinger bear?
Yes. Oh man. Okay. Oh, you want the coin jams?
I really don't like it when it does that.
Oh, me neither. Okay, let's. Ooh, Christmas minion. Is it Christmas already?
Oh, wow.
Oh wow. Okay, let's see. Gosh, I don't know how I want to get this. I'm gonna go for a 2 in 1. Screw it.
Okay.
We're gonna see if I can get around this. Or actually, that's probably not gonna work, and that probably gonna stab.
Wait.
Like, oh,
Wait a minute.
Wait a second.
Wait a minute. Come on.
Oh, yes, got him, yes!
Oh, by the nothing.
Oh.
What if I went, stabbed the Butterfinger, and got on the Butterfinger?
Grab the Butterfinger? Yeah, they might be able to.
I'm gonna see if I can stab him right in the heart. Because that prong is really big, so I don't think it should. Yeah, right
Yes,
there.
yes, yes.
Oh, if it would have went down in there.
Ah, you're right. It might still do something.
Yeah,
though.
hold on.
Come on.
No.
Oh, man.
Okay. Let's see what else.
I think that's play, yeah.
Alright. Sounds good in the hood.
Cool.
Okay, let's go for this hedgehog.
Okay.
I kind of want one of these beers because I'm feeling a little
Tipsy?
tipsy.
Oh, my.
Hey, we almost set out the. Okay. I like hedgehogs. They're furry and green, kind of like me.
Wow.
Just minus the furry and green
Oh,
part.
gotcha.
Spin. Oh, come
baby,
on.
come on. Come
Hedgehog,
on, baby. Stay in there.
Oh my God.
Stay in there. It's slipping.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh, that was so close.
That was cool. Nice
It
job.
had me
Joystick.
It had me jumping for joystick.
Oh,
Hey.
my. That
Oh,
was
nice.
fantastic.
Hey, you want to look at my furry green skin?
Yeah.
That was incredible.
I feel like that's racist in some countries. Oh.
Oh.
Nice. I have $1. We're going to try IQ maybe?
IQ, it's $2 for a one play.
What, Aaron?
No, put $1 in.
Oh.
I got sunglasses.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's a tag.
Well, those are cool.
I'm refunding them. Look at this.
Oh, wow. You're going to get all the ladies?
I know, right?
Oh, my.
This is due.
I don't like the tag hanging.
Cool.
These are nice. Already, guys. Uh-oh, cut it out.
Don't put this in the video.
Shoot.
Claw kicker breaking into his own claw machine? What is this?
Well, that's clickbait right there because it's not even a claw machine.
Huh.
It's your specialty.
Oh, my. Look at that. He won.
I got blue balls. Whoa, what? Whoa, whoa, there.
Whoa.
Oh, there we go.
My.
You have blue balls too? I have a collection.
Oh, I wasn't the only one. What?
Everything else is far away.
I don't even know how much Starbucks is, but I'm going to get a s'mores frappuccino if I get it.
Oh, the unicorn frappuccino is my favorite.
Did you try that before?
No.
Didn't they just sell out of them in like a week?
You
Yeah.
should really use dollars for that.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it for some.
They got it for some person.
Okay, we're going to go for 2.
2?
Here, hopefully you don't get my fat head in there.
Oh.
Oh.
Go for 1.
I don't really want a fidget spinner. I'm just gonna throw it away, honestly. So we're just gonna throw it out the window again.
Gotta fill it again.
Okay, I don't even want the fidget spinner. Oh, I doubt it.
Wait.
Oh, no.
I think you could get it if
I got it in the
flat,
loop, maybe?
Or if you get it flat completely, it'd probably stay because it's on a hill right now.
Yeah.
Or look at that little fuzzy here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I want these Tabasco sauces, even though I hate Tabasco.
I
Really?
like Tabasco.
Yeah.
I like tobacco. Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
that's not the same thing. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
I'm thinking right there.
Alright.
I mean, you can only
I
get
think
so
if we get to that
perfect.
loop, you would get it.
Oh, that might be good.
That looks pretty good.
No way. Oh,
You can get it. It's flat now.
Gotta balance it just right.
Flat like my booty. Hey.
Well, see, you
Edit
try to
that
be
out.
family
Oh,
friendly.
my.
See, the thing is though, I'm not like cussing. So what's the like? Because my jokes are so like close. What? I don't know.
It's the LA fee to do it. Put a
Uh,
5 in.
Oh heck no. You want to make
Be like-
half as much as Trevor and spend half as much as
I say fuck.
Ow! Slapped me like 3 times on the back. All right. Let's try for this. Oh,
Oh, the IQ bared out.
Someone should.
Here, hold on. I'm gonna use my angles.
Oh, angles. I like angles.
Work.
It looks
I'm
like the
not
same
really
machine
sure.
that you plays.
Oh, I remember
Oh,
that,
get in
yeah.
the loop. Get in the.
It's in the
Oh,
loop.
it's in the loop.
Oh, well, it's the loop's high now, though.
Oh, on drugs?
I can't say anything with Will.
Oh.
here.
What? Go to the
The
right.
gravel isn't flat.
Yeah.
No, I doubt it. No, because it's no. Oh yes!
Oh my God.
Come on! No,
No way.
no.
Oh.
It's tempting, but I'm gonna say no because I don't have money.
He says nay nay.
Nay.
Oh, what am I doing?
Nay,
I say, hey, I'm a nay-nay.
nay, nay. And
You're
look.
my bottom feeder.
All right. I think that's it.
Okay.
We won those 3 things.
Yes.
Not bad for $5.
Oh.
It's a runaway ball.
$5, I think.
Yeah, $5.
Yeah. Yeet.
Yeet. Sweet.
Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a. Those were my blue balls.
Those ladies just gave them the weird. They walked by and were like.
I wish I could do that.
Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I hope you liked the video.
Oh my.
Like the video for me twerking in the camera.
Oh my.
Anyways,
I'll give you $5.
see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.
Cool.